This is Project Powder Keg, an E.C.D custom Land Rover electric Defender 110, built to our client's exact specifications. This project is painted in eggshell Bonatti Gray with black accents. Project Powder Keg sits on 18-inch Corn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This Defender 110 features a 6-point full external roll cage, classic front bumper with worn winch, 4 LED round spotlights in the front and 2 in the rear. On the inside, Project Powder Keg features an Exmoor Evander steering wheel with electric set gauges, RECARO Orthopeds front and mid-row seats, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in horizontal Velluto Pelle leather stitched together in sumac. Powder Keg is powered by our E.C.D electric direct drivetrain engine with fast charging capabilities. This Defender 110 also features an array of modern elements such as touchscreen stereo with JL audio, rear AC, Apple CarPlay, and access to USB connection.